Welcome back to our virtual English class. My name is Tatiana Olaru and I am a teacher of English at Prosucces High School in Chișinău. Today we will continue our lesson on the topic plans for the summer. I remind you that we are at Unit 4 at the second part of the lesson number 7 that you can find in the English book at page 75. So, what are we going to do today? Together we will read for comprehension and we will read a short letter. You will see what is the letter about. So, I am ready, and if you are ready, then let's begin. Don't forget to take your book, your copybook, your pens for taking notes. So, today I propose you to visit a country. And you will tell me if you know what country is this. So, first of all, look at the screen. So, the first task for you is to read. So, we will read, of course, and we will say where Hannah lives now. But this is the question that you together with me will answer at the end. Okay, so look very attentively. Here we have an extract of a letter. Here we have a letter and a picture. This picture represents the country that I proposed you to visit. Probably you have seen this picture before, but if not, then we will discover together. So, the letter, I will read it for you, then you can read with me together. Dear Tina, how are you? I have great news. School is over. Vacation is here. Tina, can you come and stay with us in July? We can have a lot of fun together. We can go to see Buckingham Palace where our queen lives. We can have a fantastic view of the city from the London Eye. And we can go around the city by double-decker. Please accept our invitation. Write soon. Love, Hannah. Yes, so this is the letter, and you probably have some questions. What are the words? Some of the words may sound for you not very familiar, necunoscute. Okay, so I will read once again, and we will discover all the words that you don't know. I will stop those that you might not know. Dear Tina, how are you? I have great news. School is over. Vacation is here. Okay, so from here everything should be clear. Yes, so Hannah writes to Tina that she has great news. She doesn't go to school anymore. Tina, can you come to and stay with us in July? We can have a lot of fun together. We can go to see Buckingham Palace where our queen lives. We can have a fantastic view of the city from the London Eye. Probably here you may not know what is Buckingham Palace and London Eye. And we can go around the city by double-decker. What is a double-decker? And to go around, please accept our invitation. Write soon. Okay, so, let's see. So the word that I want now to exercise together is double-decker. Repeat after me. Double-decker. Double-decker, and see what is the meaning of a double-decker. Look at the screen, you will see this is the bus, the red bus that is You can see on the streets of London double-decker autobus cu două etaje. Double-decker. Yes, repeat once again. Double-decker. Okay. Let's see the next word. The word view. Yes, she says, we can have a fantastic view of the city. Noi putem să ce? Have. Let's see what is a view. View, you see here the city, the London city, and view este vedere, priveliște. So she says that they can have a fantastic view, o priveliște fantastică a orașului. Okay? To go around. What is go around? We can go around the city. Noi putem să ce? Go around. A merge de jur împrejur sau, corect ar fi să spunem, să vizităm. Noi putem să vizităm ce? The city, orașul, by double-decker. And I will translate this sentence, the most difficult one. Noi putem să mergem să vizităm orașul cu autobusul cu două etaje. The words Buckingham Palace that I asked you. So, what is Buckingham Palace? Here you can see in this picture Buckingham Palace. This is Buckingham Palace. Palatul Buckingham. And she says here the Queen lives. Do you know what is a queen? Yes? Regina. Here the Queen lives. The Queen Elizabeth II. Elisabeta II. Do you know? Okay. So, now we have here in this letter two girls, Tina and Hannah. So, Hannah invites Tina to visit her city. Now, it's time to answer the question. Where does Hannah live now? Where does she live? So, we spoke about Buckingham Palace, we spoke about London Eye, and we spoke about double-decker that is only in London, that you can see only in London. So, where does she live? She lives in London. Ea locuiește în Londra. Exact, she lives in London. All these things, the Buckingham Palace, the London Eye, and double-deckers, you can see only in London. Okay, very good. Now I want you to look at the screen, and here we have a task to read and to agree or disagree. To agree, yeah, to a fi de acord. And to disagree, to say that you don't accept my idea. Okay, let's take the first sentence. Hannah invites Tina to come to London. Hannah invites Tina to come to London. Is it true or false? Do you agree or disagree? Ești de acord sau nu? So let's see. We will go back to the letter, ne vom întoarce la scrisoare, and we will take the information from there. Okay, let's see. Here is from the letter. Tina, can you come to stay with us in July? Poți să vii să stai cu noi în iulie? Yes, that's right. So, the answer is agree or true. Next one. They can see the monument of Ștefan cel Mare in London. They can see the monument of Ștefan cel Mare in London. Ștefan cel Mare, you know the monument Ștefan cel Mare. Where can we see it? In Chișinău, right? So this sentence, is it true or false? We will go back to the letter and we will find the information. We can go to see Buckingham Palace. Yes, in London. So this sentence is not true. It means, ceea ce înseamnă că we disagree. Noi nu suntem de acord. We disagree with this. Sentence number 3. Tina and Hannah can have great fun together. Fun, distracție. So Tina and Hannah can have great fun together. What do you think? Let's go back to the letter. Yes, we can have a lot of fun together. Noi putem să ne distrăm de minune împreună. So the sentence is true. It means that I agree and you also agree. Și tu de asemenea ești de acord. Okay, sentence number 4. There are, sunt double-deckers in Chișinău. Double-deckers, do you remember the picture? What does that double-decker represent? Autobusul cel roșu cu două etaje. So, are there double-deckers in Chișinău? Sunt. Let's see from the letter. And we can go around the city by double-decker. So, they can go around the city in London, around the city London, not Chișinău. So the sentence is not correct or is false, so we disagree. Sentence number 5. Hannah lives in Buckingham Palace. Hannah lives in Buckingham Palace. Is it true? In Buckingham Palace, do you remember I told you that a queen lives there? Queen Elizabeth II. So Hannah lives in Buckingham Palace. The sentence is Buckingham Palace, where our queen lives. So we can go to see Buckingham Palace, where our queen lives. So it means the sentence is not correct and we disagree. Noi nu suntem de acord cu ea. Okay, very good. Now, I have here a letter, but it doesn't have some words. Nu are unele cuvinte, so we have to substitute words for pictures. Trebuie să înlocuim imaginile cu cuvintele. So look for a couple of seconds and think how you will say that in your own words. So, dear, and school is over. We'll be very happy to visit you. We are going to come by. We are going to swim and fish in there. We'll be happy to feed and to water in the garden. In July, I'm going to visit Hannah and Dan is going to a summer camp. Yours? Okay, so most of the words you know, so it will be easy for you to do this. So let's see how we can substitute it. Dear grandma and grandpa. Dragă bunele și bunica. School is over. We'll be very happy to visit you and we are going to come by. Noi vom veni by bus. We are going to swim and fish in the lake. We'll be very happy to feed the chicks. Do you know what is to feed? A hrăni puii, and to water the flowers in the garden. In July, I'm going to visit Hannah, and Dan is going to a summer camp. Yours, Tina and Dan. That's right. So, very good. We substituted together, you in your copybook, and I helped you a little bit here. Okay, very good. Very good. And I will, looking at this picture that you see on the screen, I will not talk anymore. I just want to tell you enjoy the summer. But before enjoying summer, you and me, I want to go back and see what we did. So, what did we do today? So, we continued our lesson on this topic. We visited a country virtually, yes? Am vizitat o țară în mod virtual, and this country is, the city, London, we visited, and we read a letter and imaginary rewrote it. Imaginar am și scris-o. So, now, I just want to say, enjoy summer and see you soon. Goodbye!